Hello teachers, today I'll be showing you how you can create teacher questions. Okay, like I have already shown you how you can create question paper using extra marks questions. Now you can use your own questions, or you can create teacher question and you can use that question for the examination purpose. Okay, now this is exactly how the dashboard looks like. You have to click on create teacher question. Now after clicking on create teacher questions, you have to fill up the certain mandatory fields, like for which class you are going to create the question paper, for which subject you are going to create the question paper, then from which chapter you want to create the question paper. Say you are selecting decimal, so any chapter, whichever chapter you want to create, you have to select that particular chapter. Keyword is not a mandatory field, so you can skip that. Question level is again not a mandatory field, again you can skip this. Question marks, like what is the mark or how many marks you want to allot to that particular question. Okay, so say for example I want to allot 1 mark, so it is 1 by default. Estimated time in minute, please don't use this box because it says ki, how many marks to every questions individually you are allotting, so that is not required, because while creating question paper you will be putting a total mark, so you can skip this box. Question characteristics, that means whether the question which you are creating will fall under knowledge or fall under skill, that you have to select. So say I am putting it under knowledge, I'm putting the question as a knowledge based question. Feature and explanation, that is again not a mandatory field, but still you can write, if you want to write the feature and explanation of the questions you are creating. Say the feature and explanation is something which I'm writing here mandatory or something like that. Now you have an option of creating the question paper, either subjective, objective, or a paragraph based. So I'll be showing you how you can create question objective mode question paper. So you select an objective, and whatever question you want to create, just write the question over here. You need to type it or write it here. Say what is decimal is my question. So I'm writing this question, and after writing it, it is asking like how many options you want to give to the students to select. Okay, so let's say I'm giving them 4 options. Okay, so as soon as I click on 4, I click create. Now you can see this 4 box is opening in front of me. Now I can provide 4 different answer, and out of the 4 different answer the student can choose the correct answer, right? So say option A, I'm giving this. Option B, maybe this. Option C, maybe this. And option D, let's say this. Okay, so this way I have given 4 options to the students to choose and select. Now as you are aware that whenever you are creating objective questions and you are assigning the objective test to the students, all the paper or all the evaluation sheet will be auto corrected by the system. The teacher need not have to correct the answer sheet. So that is the reason when you're creating your own objective questions also, you have to provide 4 options and then you have to give the correct answer also. So you have to select here, say option A is the correct answer. Now you have already given option A as the correct answer. Now you can see this correct answer will remain with the system, since the system is going to check the paper. So you're giving the correct answer to the system, and after that you click create. Now as soon as you click create, you can see here question has been created successfully. That means your teacher question is created. Now if you want to assign this question to any test, how do you assign? You come to create paper. Okay, then you click here without template. Okay, so you have clicked without template. Now you are giving a total time of your exam. So total time is say 2 minutes. Total mark, let's say 1 mark exam you are conducting. Say for which class you are conducting, class 5. From which subject you are conducting the test, say mathematics. Give some paper name. Say the paper name is mock test, uh, let's say 333. Okay, how many sections I want to divide the paper? So it is 1 section. You can enter any instruction which you want your students to follow. Say my instruction is something like this, mandatory. Now I click on manual. As soon as I click manual, it 3 more option will open in the drop down, characteristics and level. So you can skip. If you want to choose, you may choose, or you can skip both the tool. question source. Now from where you want to create the question paper? Since you have created the teacher question, so we have already learned via extra marks question, so I'm not showing that. Say I want to create the paper with my own question, that is with the teacher question. So I click on the teacher question. From which chapter I want to create the paper? Say this is the chapter, say decimal. Okay, so I select here, I click decimal, and then what I do, I have all the chapter options. Okay, and then I click create. You have to click on the create part. Okay, now this box will open in front of you. So it is asking whether subjective or the question is objective type. So I hope you remember I created objective question. So I click on objective. How many questions I'm giving them? One question, because I have created only 1 mark question, right? And the mark is also 1. Fine. Then what I do? I click next. Now as soon as I click next, this is something which is opening in front of me. I click here, I click on add question. Okay, so after I click on add question, I click on this symbol. Now can you see the question which I have created is reflecting here, objective kind. Now I have created actually 2 questions, so whichever question I want to take, I click on this, it becomes green in color. Can you see it becomes green in color, and it automatically reflects here. Now I click save paper. Okay, paper has been created successfully. That means my question paper is ready now. Now I can assign the paper. Now for assigning the paper, what I do, I go to assign paper, I click category. That means I'm giving this question within the class. I select for which class I'm assigning, say class 5. Which section I'm assigning. If I have multiple section, I'll be selecting multiple section, or if a single section, then single section. To whom I am assigning, I select all, because I'll be assigning the test to every individual, right? Or if you want to assign it specific, then you can go for specific also. So class 5, which subject? Mathematics. What is the paper name? Do you remember? Mock test 333. So this is the one which I have created just now through teacher questions. So I select this, and I give a start date and end date. That means whichever day or whatever time I want to assign the question paper, I select from here. Okay, so tomorrow I want to conduct the test. So I select tomorrow's date and the time from the time bar, and automatically see the end time is taken by the system, because I have created the test for 2 minutes, right? So 9:30 and 9:32 the exam will get over. Single attempt is selected by default. After that, you can simply click on the assign icon. Now as soon as you click on the assign icon, this question paper will get assigned to every students whom you have selected for conducting the examination. So this is how you can create the teacher question. I'm repeating the steps verbally. For creating teacher questions, you have to click on create teacher question. After clicking on create teacher questions, you have to fill up the mandatory fields, and after filling up the mandatory fields, you have to choose whether you want to go for subjective, objective, or paragraph based question. But since I am actually teaching you how to create objective based question, you click on objective, you type the question. After typing it, you type all the 4 options, and after typing all the 4 options, down you get a drop down where you have to select the correct answer. Now for selecting correct answer is not for the students to see, it is you are providing to the system, because all the answer sheet will be auto corrected by the system. Now after you have given the correct answer, you click create. Now as soon as you click create, the question paper gets created. Now once the question paper gets created, you can assign this question to your question paper, right? Now what you do, again you come to the create paper. After clicking on create paper, you come down in the drop down. It is asking whether you want to add teacher question or you want to add extra marks question. You click teacher question. After clicking on teacher question, you have to fill up certain mandatory fields again, and then you have to choose all the questions, teacher which the teacher has created will come in the drop down. There is a hand like symbol. You choose on that hand like symbol, and that will get automatically added, and then you can assign this question paper to every individual students. So I hope I am clear. If still, if you have any doubts and queries, you can reach me. Thank you for listening.